Yo, what's good, guys? Today I'm gonna show y'all how I play Cook in Family. I will show you guys my build, my Cook build at the end of the video. So we see Johnny trying to chase Leland. I was like, okay, let's chase Leland, right? Leland goes to this cross space. Yeah, he goes to this cross space, and bro, I was so mad, bro. Like, no way you just punched my kids and just ran off, bro. Like, oh my god, bro. If you know, you know. But, just look at this, bro. I have nothing else to say but immortal. Take that, boy. And I swing and a miss. Take it. Alright. Like, there's no way you survived all of that. Like, what the flippity flop? So I went to go turn off Valve, but Johnny's already doing it. Leland's the last one alive. Valve turns off. I'm like, yeah, I can get Leland right here. I can get him. But I thought he was gonna go down the well, but he didn't. And this happened. I was like, no way I won that close encounter with Leland. I wasn't even tapping my button that fast until I found out I was hitting Leland really hard. I was like, oh yeah, well, pause. I was hitting him really hard. And I just kept spamming that button. I just kept spamming it, and I just won the close encounter. And then Hitchhiker, I don't like you for that. So I'm gonna kill Julie and pretend it's you. Alright, so we're immortal. Or not immortal. You just freaking died, Julie.
Just do it!
Yup, I just killed you, Julie. How do you like that? How do you like that? So, I got comms from my teammate that someone was at car battery and Leland was distracting him so he couldn't kill the people at car battery. And then this happens, bro. Like, why? After that game, they escaped. I got so mad, so I had to take my anger out on these victims in the family house. I think I was AFK because I was eating my cereal. I don't know. Oh no, I seen Anna. Yeah, I seen Anna. And then I freaking started. No, I didn't start it. I'm actually freaking. Oh, and then I seen Sony. I took Sissy's kill. After that, I took Sissy's other kill. Yep, she couldn't go down the ladder, so I just went down, right? I seen Anna. Wait for it. I thought this door was open, but no, and I killed.
Do this. No. Just do it!
After I killed her, Connie was kind of like a new player, so I just decided to kill her because I don't like new players. So I'm just gonna kill Connie real quick, right? Yeah, like take it. How about another one? Oh, I got something really good for you. Yup. How do you like that? Yeah, that's what you get, Connie. Yeah. Alright, next clip, me and Johnny are chasing Julie, and Julie doesn't know we're about to kill her, and that door's locked. Johnny doesn't know that she's in cap, so I'm gonna give her this damage.
Just do it!
Bro, these kids were so freaking annoying, bro. Like, Alright, after they did that to me, I was like so mad, so I had to take my anger out on Danny, bro. I was not playing around. I'm getting all the kills I can possibly get. And like, yeah, bro, they're gonna have to take it. After that, I was just casually just breaking down the door so the victims don't door slam us, right? I got Hitchy the door freaking barged his door. But I was wondering what happens if I get in front of it. So I was like, yeah, let's get in front of it, right? And then already starting off this clip with punching my kids, bro. What's your problem, Julie? Holy. No, I got something for you. I got something for you, Julie. She thought she was hiding from me, but no.
Yeah, boy.
Bro, I did not see Julie right there, bro. Like, Nah, I see how it is. Leland. Now you want to play all dirty?
Look at Randy
Orton
slithering. Watch out, watch out, watch out, watch out!
That's what you get, Leland. Bro, I was over here trying to kill Julie, bro. She was doing the fuse box. You know what I'm saying? And, bro, Leatherface stole my kill, bro. Like, I put in the work to kill her. And he's just gonna turn around, stab me in the back like that, Leatherface. Look, no. Nah, sorry. And this one, Connie was messing with Grandpa's. And I was like, nah, I'm not gonna let that slide. And then I went over there. Apparently she stepped in Hitchhiker's trap. I was like, oh, take that.
Just do it! Do it!
Hey, nah, but this time Leatherface didn't steal my kill. And it was the same person, Julie. Leatherface was over there trying to freaking do something. Julie was doing the fuse as well. Again? I was like, nah, I'm not gonna let that slide.
Yeah, boy.
Alright, I'm over here like just chilling. And then I seen DeQuavion Johnson stab Grandpa. So I'm over here like trying to run at him. Alright? And he doesn't know I'm behind him. Oh wait, he does know I'm behind him. And he knows I'm trying to kill him. And he's just running. Alright, since Sony's immortal doesn't mean Leland's immortal. Even though he just punched my kids. He's over there running. Sissy got him on the freaking wall crack, whatever it's called. And then I hit him with
Yeah, boy.
And I mean, you already know we have to kill Leland another time. Because that one time he barged us, we did not let that slide. So what else can I say except for...
And look at Randy Orton slithering. Watch out, watch out, watch out, watch out!
The Quavion Williams thought he was gonna escape from me. I was like, nah. So I just kept running and running and running and running and running and followed his blood choice until I seen him.
Oh! No. Just do it!
I just got comments from my teammates that Connie and Julie are at gas station car battery, and I seen Connie right there. Thank you so much, you guys, for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. Peace.